let's go. I will start introduction about myself. So I am Irfan from Pakistan, province Balochistan, district Nasirabad. Talk about my qualification. I have done 10th class. Currently, my education is going on. Talk about my profession. I do work at grocery shop together. My elder brother. Talk about my learning journey. So I am learning this language from YouTube, and I didn't take admission any academies to improve my speaking English. So talk about my learning journey. So I have been 2 months completed. I am learning this language on this application on the video call. So in first time I watched your videos. You was talking one lady. So who names Mosum, right?
Yeah.
So I watched your video. So that time you said, I am beginner. I didn't create YouTube channel, and I will create YouTube channel. So after that, I thought I will talk to you. So that times I hadn't your this ID Skype ID. So I think you connect through in this group. You connect with me. So I am talking. So uh, in this journey, I have been 2 months completed. This is not my perfect speak English. This is my journey. So I am trying to speak English. So
No, no, you
now
are
I am
speaking
learning
good. You are speaking very confidently.
first of all about me.
Yeah, yeah. You are speaking very confidently, brother. You don't have hesitation while speaking. You speak very well. I have watched your videos. That's why I wanted to talk to you, and I sent you message many times. But that time
Right,
you might have been busy. That's why you could not reply of my messages. But right now it's
right,
come
right.
true
I
that
am
I'm
busy.
talking to you. It's my pleasure.
Right, right.
Yeah. So what type of qualification have you done? You have done your graduation.
Please, so speak loudly. Speak loudly.
I'm speaking loudly, brother. I'm speaking loudly. I think so. You are not getting proper network correction. That's why it is happening. You are not getting my voice
Yes, yes,
properly.
yes, yes. Some reasons, network reasons. These reasons, I'm not getting your point. What are you saying?
Okay. Where are you right now? Where are you? I'm also getting like many noises from your side. Where are you right now?
So now I am sitting at market. So I am doing work at grocery shop. These reasons. Now I took few minutes to talk to you in inside outside. So I am sitting. You can see behind me shop shutter. Right?
Okay. So do you work in grocery shop? Do you work in grocery
Yes.
shop?
At grocery shop. So I am sitting at market. So in city market, center market. This reasons in my voice behind making us a noise, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So since when have you been working in grocery shop? How long have you
So
been working in grocery shop?
so I have been 2 years completed. I am working in in this shop together. My elder brothers. We have opened this application together. This shop together. I and my elder brother.
Okay. And I asked you that you have completed your graduation. I asked you, but you didn't reply me. Have you completed your graduation?
No, no. I have done 10th class. Now my
Only 10.
education is going on. I have taken admission in college. So I don't go college. Some reasons I do work at grocery shop. These reasons I don't have time to go college. So these reasons I am learning this language from YouTube, and I am practicing.
Okay. So do you run your family yourself?
But
You run your family, or who runs your family? Your father or you?
sir, I am not getting your point. So your voice is very slow.
No,
Again,
actually,
speak.
I'm speaking loudly, brother. I'm speaking loudly. I think so. There is some problem.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
So
there
now
is
speak
network
again.
issue. That's why. That's why you're not getting my voice properly. But I'm speaking
Again,
loudly.
speak.
I
So
said,
ask
who runs
again.
your family? I said, who runs your family?
Yes. So you are saying who run your family?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So our family is running. My father is doing work. So these days my father opened one car showroom.
Okay.
So nowadays I am thinking, and I will go at that car showrooms, and I will work together my father. So my house running is my father, and I and my elder brother doing work at grocery shop. They work, and my father work property dealing and car showroom. Now
Okay.
I think few days has been opened car showroom. So and he is working.
Okay. Your father work in car showroom.
Yes, yes. He is he is our.
Okay. Yeah. And since
That
when have you
that
been learning
showroom is
English?
our right.
I am asking you that since when have you been learning English? When did you start your English journey, Mr. Irfan Ali?
Okay. Okay. So I will tell you. So I study speak English. I will tell you basically. So when I want to learn, when I was wanted to learn this language, so I thought I will learn this language. So I started watching movies. One teacher who named English with Chandan, so he from India. So I started watching that movies, that lectures. They teach online. So they upload. He upload online lectures video on our channels.
Yeah,
His
yeah.
channel.
Chandan sir is a very good
So
teacher.
I 7 months completed watch that movies. After that, I started recording music like this. We are recording this conversation. So I started watching the like this movie. So one day I asked the one teacher who named Karshma Chauhan. So I said, "Ma'am, which application you use to practice? Use to record this video?" So she said me I use one application Skype. So after that, I installed this applications and I have done this application settings. So after that, I started talking. So one day I tried to talk to Karshma Chan. So that time I was unable to. So Karshma Chan said me, you need to practice. So after that, lift I practicing and I again started watching movies. So after a few days, I again tried to talk. So many people's this application link mention YouTube channel description. So I started joining this application link and I started talking with that people. So and he started talking with me. So now like this I started speaking English. So my speaking journey 2 months completed. I am speaking and I am practicing. So earlier I only watch videos to my improve my grammatical. I speak English not perfect. So I make mistake some grammatical. So I
No,
didn't take
no
admission.
worry, brother. No worry about mistake. We are here to learn English language. I also make mistake while speaking. So don't think too much that if you make mistake, then what will happen? All beginner, you can say they make mistake while speaking. So it's not our actually na, it's not our mother tongue. You know, your mother tongue is Urdu. My mother tongue is Hindi. You know, so we can make
Right.
mistake while speaking. So no worry about making mistake. You know, don't think too much. So in which part do you live in Pakistan? Like in which
So
city do
I
you live?
am living. Okay, so I will tell you. I am living in Pakistan, province Balochistan district, Nasirabad. You know Balochistan?
Balochistan. I have heard about Balochistan, but I don't know where it's situated. I have heard about
Yes, yes.
Balochistan.
You know only name Pakistan, province Balochistan, right?
I have heard about Lahore. I have heard about Lahore and yeah, Balochistan.
Lahore, Lahore is the province Balochistan, Punjab city. So I am
Okay.
living in Balochistan district, Nasirabad.
What's your mother tongue? Which language? Basically, which language do you speak in your Balochistan?
Okay, so we speak lots of language like Bravi, Seraiki, Sindhi, Balochi, Pashtun, other language. But I know little language like our mother language Seraiki. I speak Seraiki. We use Seraiki in our house. So I know little bit Bravi, Balochi, Sindhi.
Yeah,
This language I
I have heard about Pakistani people. They like to watch Indian movie. Do you watch Indian movie?
but
Do you watch Indian movie?
yes, of course I like to watch. Now I studied India watching studied now I started watching movies Indian movies that dubbing in English. So I watch
Okay.
Indian movies lots of I like to watch show Indian show. You watch one show Kapil Sharma.
Kapil Sharma. Okay. Hey. Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actor
Yes.
from India?
So my favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan,
Shahrukh
Amir
Khan.
Khan.
Shahrukh Khan and Amir
Yes,
Khan.
yes, yes. Shah Rukh
Yeah.
Khan, Amir Khan, Salman Khan, and Akshay Kumar.
Akshay Kumar. Yes, yes, yes. I also like Shahrukh
Yes,
Khan, Amir Khan, Salman Khan. Actually, Shahrukh Khan is the famous actor in the world. You know, if you go
yes, yes.
like any country, if you go like Indonesia, Malaysia, any country like America, London, all people, they know about Shahrukh Khan. Who is Shahrukh Khan?
Yes, yes.
So Shahrukh Khan
So
is a famous actor.
yes, yes. Shah Rukh Khan is the famous actor in India, in whole world. In whole world,
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan is the famous. So I watch that movies. I watch some that movies in dubbing in English language. So that
Okay.
speak English is very well. So advanced level. I can understand that speaking English. They speak like Indian accent. Indian accent he speak, so I can understand the speaking English, and that movie is very perfect movie, story movies. They made story movies.
Okay. So in future, if you get a chance to come to India, would you like to come to India?
Yeah, of course, inshallah, I will get chance to visit lots of cities, lots of countries like India, Bangladesh, US, UK, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom, other countries. I like to visit other countries, but these days I don't have environment and I don't have money. So inshallah, when I get my money, I will visit.
Okay. So what's your future plan, Mr. Irfan? After learning English, what will you do? After learning this language, what will you do? What's your plan? Would you like to go other country to traveling purpose?
Yes, I will tell you. So now I am learning this language. So my speaking is not good. So I am learning and I am improving my speaking English. So you said what is your purpose and what is your goal, right?
No, actually, I am talking about after learning this language, what will you do? What's your plan? Do you want to go to other
Okay,
country?
okay. So I will tell you. So I these day now I didn't thought to visit other countries. So now I am thinking about improving my speaking English. So these day my father said me, so you will have to do work together with me. So like this. Few day after few day I will go that car showrooms and I will work at car showroom. This reasons I didn't thought to visit other countries. Inshallah I will go in future. uh, Inshallah my God give me chance to visit other countries, foreign countries, Chinese, Iran, other Muslim countries, non-Muslim countries. I will go. I like to visit, but I didn't thought now these days. I didn't thought.
Yeah. And in future, what do you want to be in your life? If you get a chance to become like something, then what would you like to become? What's your future plan? What do you want to become in future?
Okay, so I have some chance. That chance is very tough to make in future. So my first purpose is that commissioner. Commissioner post is very high post,
Yeah, yeah, I know,
right?
I know. Yeah.
So this reasons I am learning this language. So to become commissioner is important English language. You know speaking English. You know reading, writing, speaking. This reasons I am learning this language. And after my purpose is that journalist. You know journalist.
I know journalist. Journalist.
Right, so journalist and commissioner is very tough in future. So these reasons
Yeah.
I am struggling. So inshallah, I will become in future commissioner or journalist.
Okay, it's a nice goal, brother. You have nice goal. Definitely one day you will achieve your goal, whatever you want.
Inshallah, I will achieve my purpose, my goals. So inshallah. So now I am
Inshallah,
struggling.
inshallah, you will achieve.